Good morning, or good afternoon. I don't even know what time it is. I'm actually shocked that it's daylight savings today. So spring is like next week, and I've been in full decluttering mode, reset everything, get Kennedy on a better routine, prioritizing. A lot of change has happened in a month, and I'm just trying to, you hear Kennedy? Yes, Ken. I'm just trying to get my life together, you know? So I've been starting it off with decluttering, spring cleaning, the whole shebang. I'm right now in Kennedy's room. We have decluttered so much. We went to donate like 4 or 5 bags, huge bags of clothing, toys, just things that we don't use or need anymore. So that to me is like a huge win, because I already feel like the air is like I could breathe. It's like less dust. I hate the tchotchke stuff. And then here, look, this is my only tchotchke wall in Kennedy's room. Everything else is pretty neat, very, very neat. This is like my room of zen. Like if you need that reset, decluttering is the way to go. Like chuck it, get rid of it, donate it, garbage, make your piles. I'm still sorting out my basement right now and my storage room. I have to put my Christmas tree in the garage. Like there's things that are on my list. I need to mop too. So I need to create a list today, and we're just attacking the day. We are getting stuff done. So we're cleaning today. We are resetting the week. We are trying to work out. We are changing the life, all while watching a 2-year-old. We're just going to continue the day. Thank you for helping me. Okay, we just wait now, okay? All right, we did it. Good job. Good job. Good job, we did it. So I'm gonna show you Kennedy's room, or her closet. So I feel like the hardest thing about with having a toddler and she's growing is like organizing all the things that you want to save for like your next kids, if you have any. But it's like the what if, you know what I mean? Like you don't want to let good things go. So I'm working on right now her closet. Okay, this is definitely a before, but I want to put up, look, that's me as a baby. That's kind of funny. But it was like circling out some of her books. These are some of her favorite books. I have some up here as well. And then I have, I moved some in the basement where we have like a playroom. But what I want to do is transform this closet and organize it. This closet is my priority, as well as Jonathan's closet. But I'll put up pictures just so you can see like what I want to do. And I think it's gonna come out really good. Another thing that I could do if I don't decide to like do the whole like a new closet, new build, which I'll link the one that I saw that I'll probably purchase. But if not, I was thinking about moving this over and just putting a tension rod because she needs more hanging space. Coming into the spring and summer, she's going to have a lot more like t-shirts and long sleeve shirts and dresses that I need to have space for. She no longer really wears onesies ever, honestly, because we are like transitioning into like the potty training stage. Hair bows. I also saw on that picture that they have something that hangs on the door, which I liked, but I really don't like things on my door. I don't feel like putting nails on it. Like, look, this is from the mirror that's on the back, and I hate these, like, holes. I really don't like holes, so, like, you could tell I don't put any holes on the wall or anything. And if it's going to be something that has to, you know, like, it needs to be secured, then I think it's important for there to be holes. Other than that, I would do like command strips or something. On the wall, the only thing I was thinking about adding, like either here or by like her laundry area, this is like her laundry basket, is like the days of the week, or you know, what's the weather today, or like a routine chart. And I saw really cute ones on Etsy. I just straightened up the living room. I do need to condition my leather couch. The kitchen is cleaned. I gotta start some laundry. I'm gonna make dinner right now because I'm actually hungry and I can probably eat that for lunch too. Yeah. Okay, so this is the key to salmon. I am preheating the oven to 425, so I'm waiting on that. But before I lay my salmon skin side down, I lay foil and I put oil so that I don't have to clean up as much. So I'm just waiting to throw that in the oven. But my seasoning lineup, this stuff is amazing from Trader Joe's. So I do salmon rub, citrus garlic, chipotle powder, just a smidge, some smoked paprika, some Old Bay. We have some black pepper, and then I use garlic. So you can have this marinated, or you can just season it up, which is what I did because I'm starving. And then I'm just gonna pop it in the oven. But it tastes so good, y'all. What I'm gonna do now is take out my rice cooker. This, I'm gonna do a shortcut. Typically, I will do like some brown rice, but I'm gonna use a bag today. We're gonna use some yellow rice. This stuff is bomb. Put it in a rice cooker with an avocado and call it a day, right, Kennedy? While I have out this chipotle seasoning and I'm like in the mood of cooking, I'm gonna make a chipotle powder dressing that I eat from Chipotle. This actually has nothing, I don't know if it tastes good on this meal, but I just want to make it just to have it.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget?
It is cooked perfect. Look at that.
I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me.
for this video. I hope that you enjoyed today's cleaning video. Finally, I got my Christmas tree inside the garage. But until next time, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.